Hello folks, I'm Daniel Martin, founder of KnowYourMarket.ai and KYMAi, the token. Today we're going to walk through the KYMAi white paper. It's some 50-something pages long, so I assume that not everybody's going to want to read the entire thing. I thought a quick 5-minute walkthrough might help people understand the fundamentals of KYMAi and save them the time having to read all of it. So that's what we're going to go through today. I'm going to take you through the KYMAi white paper. KYMAi is the fuel behind KnowYourMarket.ai, our AI-driven marketing intelligence platform. The idea is simple. Marketing teams are drowning in data, but they're starved of actual insight. Kim, or Know Your Market, solves that, and KYMAi powers it. Unlike a lot of tokens out there, KYMAi isn't built on hype. It's tied to platform revenue. Every subscription, every transaction, it all happens in KYMAi, making it both the billing backbone and the growth engine. Problem and solution. Marketing today is fragmented. Teams are buried under hundreds of thousands of metrics. I mean, you could argue there's millions of metrics. They're working in silos. And then when people leave, knowledge disappears with them. Agencies, they come and they pitch on vibes, not actual data. It is billions in wasted spend in all sorts of different areas. Kim, Know Your Market, fixes this by being the strategist that you never have to hire. It connects your real data sources, it automates research, and then it layers in AI trained on 15 years of proven marketing IP and delivers actual strategy, not just dashboards. That's the key here. This isn't just dashboards like you see everywhere else. It delivers actual strategy documents that you can then use internally to make decisions, have business case discussions, whatever it is that you need to do. It delivers the actual strategy document for you, not just a dashboard. And KYMAi sits at the center of all of this, fueling it all. So what's the market opportunity? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. The marketing intelligence economy is already at something like $100 billion around the world, and it is growing fast. We all know this. We are targeting the most active spending regions, so that would be Australia, the US, UK, Canada, and to some degree Western Europe, which, when you boil it all down, is worth around something like 40 to 50 billion a year of the total. Even a tiny market penetration unlocks massive revenue. Kim's model scales like cloud software. It's subscription and pay-per-use, meaning the more that people use it, the more KYMAi is in demand, KYMAi being the token. So the more people use the platform, the more the token will be in demand. Token utility. KYMAi isn't just some speculative coin floating around as you see often. It is the key to access. Businesses use KYMAi to unlock queries, to run reports, and to power advanced features. Early holders get real utility, lower costs, premium access, and a stake in platform growth. For those of you who are interested not in the platform but more the platform growth, you get a stake in the platform's growth. You are exposed to the upside of this business's growth over time. Because tokens only enter circulation when customers actually pay. Supply grows with real demand. I'll say that again. Tokens only enter circulation when customers, so Kim customers, actually pay, and then supply grows with real demand. So here's a bit of a snapshot of the roadmap going forward. Here's our path. Q4, at time of recording, Q4 2025, that's around about now, we will open the founder round, or at time of watching this video, you will find the founder round probably is already open, and we will begin onboarding pilot clients. That is happening as we speak already. Q1 2026 will see us closing out the founder round and launching the alpha public release, meaning publicly accessible functions will be released in alpha, as in version 1 format. In Q2 2026, we'll be launching the public sale of KYMAi, meaning the founder round will be closed and people will be able to publicly purchase KYMAi through our site. Now, that means they will be able to either trade it or use it as access to the platform. We will also be launching our beta version of the platform, or beta if you're over there in the States. The beta version will be an enhanced version, of course, of the alpha version based off feedback from users and natural platform evolution in line with the vision. Q3, we'll see a global expansion and then token listing on a DEX, a decentralized exchange, meaning that KYMAi will become a publicly tradable token. Each phase is tied to product delivery and real adoption, not speculative promises. Tokenomics and the founder round. So the total supply of KYMAi is locked at 35 million. At time of recording, and when you view this, you will be able to see that publicly. If you look on Etherscan, you will see the token supply is locked and there is no ability to mint anymore. So we have 35 million in supply. That is it. Most of that, around 67%, sits in the platform reserve. Again, if you look on Etherscan, you will see this. This means these tokens are only released into circulation when someone actually uses the product. Until then, these tokens will remain in the platform reserve. The founder round is where early believers will get in with access to the lowest token price, governance input, and then early platform access. So whether you want to be a buyer and holder to access the upside of the platform, you'll get the lowest token price and a governance input. Or if you're an early adopter and want to use the platform, you can purchase during the founder round at the lowest price and you'll then have early platform access. Now, in terms of token price, the reality is we will be looking to target something like dollar for dollar, or dollar for token rather. So $1 equals 1 KYMAi when we are in public release. But to begin with, as you will see on the website, probably at the time of recording this, you will see it's around about 15 cents per token. So there is a substantial benefit to being involved in the founder round. Partnerships and community. This project isn't just built in a vacuum. We're partnering with major data providers like Meta, Google, MailChimp, and also working with crypto thought leaders to ensure that KYMAi grows with credibility. We're building a real community, Telegram, X, our podcast, to keep everything transparent and driven by people who actually care about marketing intelligence. We already have a small advisory group. It's 3 people who are experts in the industry with a wealth of knowledge and experience working in other companies right now where they can utilize Know Your Market and give us real-world feedback. That has already happened. It's not publicized yet. We're not telling you who these people are because it's important to keep that quiet just for the moment. But these people are working in real businesses, giving us real world experience using the Know Your Market platform, which means it is built on something that is actually meaningful and valuable to real people. Security and compliance. Security and compliance aren't bolt-ons here. They are fundamentally baked in. We have audited smart contracts. We have Know Your Customer and AML, anti-money laundering laws, GDPR alignment, and locked liquidity. The reality is here we are building something to last, not just a pump and dump. And if you look deeply into the tokenomics and the revenue models, you will see that is how it works. This is not something that will make $1 million overnight. It will make $1 million over time. This is not a pump and dump, and there is no way to pump and dump this coin. That is not the idea behind it. So, bringing it all together, Kim, Know Your Market, is the AI strategist that every marketing team needs. KyMAi powers the platform with real utility and revenue backing. And we are entering a $100 billion market with a clear roadmap and strong fundamentals for success. If you want to get involved early, the founder round will be open, or probably at time of you viewing this, is now open. Head over to token.knowyourmarket.ai and be part of building the intelligence layer for modern marketing.